In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Bitmoji selfie on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then right here at top left corner, hit at your Bitmoji. Now here you can check your Bitmoji, and in order to change a selfie, all you have to do is hit right here at snap code, then scroll down for a bit and hit on change selfie. Here you can go through all the list of that selfies, and here you can pick one that you like. Let it be that one, for example. I really like it, and then all I have to do is just hit on done to set this selfie on my Snapchat Bitmoji. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.